Good morning, everybody. It's Richard Miller here doing my artificial intelligence trading update. It's the 14th of September, and today I'd like to look at the three major ETFs: the Dow Jones 30 Index tracking ETF, the Spider, which is the S&P 500, and then the QQQ, which tracks the Nasdaq-100 Index. We'll kick off with the big winner. The AI generated a fantastic signal back here in March. Put a automatic stop loss in place, volatility adjusted stop loss, and we just grinded higher. And interestingly enough, the first big sell signal in the Nasdaq came last week, and it also coincides well with the trailing stop loss, the volatility to stop loss. This is an artificial intelligence generated stop loss. So not only did it generate a sell signal, it also generated a stop loss signal, and that would have taken you out of the market at that point in time. So the market was a little bit extended at that point in time, and also now the strategy is to wait and see when the next big buy signal will come through in the QQQ or the Nasdaq-100, so keeping an eye on that one. But certainly in this case the AI certainly generated a fantastic signal. Next up is looking at the Spider S&P 500 Index. We've had various, similar to the Nasdaq, a couple of volatility trades there. Some worked out, some didn't. Quick swing trades on the way down. But then we got another big buy signal down here at the bottom end of March. The buy signal came through on the 24th of March, and it grinded higher, hit the stop loss there, trailing stop loss there on the 14th of March. So there was a nice trade in there. Then after that we generated another quick trade. And then if you had your own stop loss adjusted, you could have tracked it higher, but certainly there was a quick swing trade out of that from a pure artificial intelligence perspective. Now, if you combine the AI with your normal technical indicators, you will, in some cases, stay in some of these trades a little bit longer, because the AI can generate signals early. And that's a particular quick move. It's a short, quick trade. From an AI perspective, but nevertheless tracking up. And then my personal target was here 337 was the first big profit taking zone on a trailing stop basis for the Spider. So nevertheless a good couple of points in the S&P 500 trade. Then the last one I'd like to discuss is the Dow Jones 30 ETF tracking ETF. Yeah, we've also had quite a lot of volatile selling and a couple of swing trade buy signals on the way down, but bam, we had a lovely signal also on the 24th of March, grinded higher, stop loss hit there, so there was a couple of points in that move. And then we got another quick move, a third swing trade, and the swing trade generated a sell signal up here at the $278 range. So you can see we had three nice trades. This one, then that one, and then the last time a nice swing trade. Pure artificial intelligence generated trades. Okay. You don't always have to sell out when the AI generates a sell signal. You can just have a tighter stop loss and move it and move up along the trend, so to speak. But so far so good. Some fantastic trades on all three ETFs, index tracking ETFs, and be aware that we are using AI that trained on stocks, so it's a little bit more, you have to be a little bit more flexible in terms of the indices, how the AI trades. But for anybody interested in some artificial intelligence software, I will post the link in the show description and follow that link. And yeah, happy trading. Till next time. Happy trading.